Brother Bernard.
So this is the kind life wey my brother dey enjoy since this while. Wey be say me Bernard go come ask am for money, he go dey say no. So na this kind life him dey enjoy.
Brother Bernard, hope you enjoy yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So na the kind enjoyment wey my brother dey enjoy be this. If you say me, Bernard, I go ask am for money, you go dey do like this, dey do like this. My brother, see you get.
Bernard. Is it enjoyment and girl come with food or come with important issues? But I don't have much time to spend with you. Just tell me what you can do.
The reason why I came here is that I need some change to cover up some mess. That's why I'm here.
You need some change to cover some mess. And like this thing looks like a central bank to you. What happened to the 2 million I sent to you last week?
The 2 million naira I just said. How much is 2 million naira? I've spent that one now. I've used that one for another thing, but this one is just to cover up some mess. That's all.
Then 2 million naira I sent you just last week. 2 million naira I spent you actually spending more. Abi?
No. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong at all. I didn't spend anything. You still mean 50,000 naira with me.
Jesus Christ. Out of 2 million, you never do 15 million. The 15,000 alone. You can't just hear yourself. Bernard, even because you are my cousin, I have lay cousin on you. You are very wicked and heartless.
Uncle, wait. Try to understand me.
You look to me within a week. You know what I can tell you now, Bernard? You are finished enjoying yourself, messing yourself, or doing whatever you're doing here. The door is open. You can go. I don't want to see you in this office anymore. You get me?
Should I leave or what are you saying?
I don't have much time for you. I don't have any time to talk to you. Don't finish with you. If I see you in this office again, I'll get you arrested. Period.
Uncle, what's wrong with this man? Common 2 million naira I can't afford to give me the money that I can use to buy an IC in the club. What's wrong with this man?